So we've just finished up doing the customer's own dash cameras on this Renault 5 full EV electric vehicle, 2026 plate. So let me just show you the install. So this is the back camera, cables tucked away right neatly, all routed through the original grommet, just here, to prevent any water leaks. And this is the front camera. Again, the cables neatly run on the front as well. So if you've got any dash cameras you've already purchased for your vehicle and you like them fitted, get in contact with us.